Today, we'll take a closer look at how Spektion's detective and preventive controls translate into real-world safeguards against exploitation of runtime risks. For our example, we'll focus exclusively on CrowdStrike controls geared towards the application-launched Windows command shell risk. Spektion has identified that the HP One Device Platform application launched a Windows command shell. While command shells can serve legitimate purposes, they also pose significant security risks when utilized by applications that do not necessitate direct execution of operating system commands. This behavior could potentially expose our organization to command injection attacks, privilege escalation tactics, or even man-in-the-middle attacks. Let's take the FQL provided by Spektion and convert it to log scale so we can utilize CrowdStrike's advanced event search to look for events coming from the HP application in question. In this instance, it appears that the majority of the command shells have been spawned in order to gather telemetry about the hardware configuration of our device, likely for performance monitoring. After further review, our security team has concluded that this behavior is legitimate, but still risky on account of shell chaining and unrestricted execution policies which an attacker could leverage for command injection. This is where the synergy between detective controls and preventive controls become apparent. Our security team has opted to follow Spektion's preventive suggestions and implement code integrity policies to enforce code signing requirements and prevent unauthorized code execution. This protects our organization from any of the command shells spawned by the HP application executing non-trusted code, greatly mitigating the risk posed. This was a brief demonstration of how Spektion's detective and preventive controls directly translate to an improved security posture, but the sky is the limit. In the ever-evolving landscape that is cybersecurity, new risks are constantly being identified, leaving many security teams playing a constant game of catch-up. Spektion aims to close the gap between attacker and defender and enable your organization to get ahead of the curve by using defensive tactics such as the ones demonstrated today. Want to see more? Visit our website at spektion.com to book a demo today.